Counterculture Coffee is partnering with our friends at Purple Carrot to offer you tips, tricks, and insights into the best of coffee culture, all with a plant-based spin. Hi everyone, my name is Ali. I'm an educator at Counterculture Coffee. Today I'm going to talk about cooking and baking with coffee. And whenever I think about cooking and baking with coffee, I try to think about what place coffee usually takes in our day-to-day lives. It's not usually going to be the main focus of our day. It's something that enhances our day. And so whenever I think about cooking with coffee, that's how I think of it too. Something that will enhance the flavors of whatever ingredients we're cooking. So to showcase that, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to roast some purple carrots in a bed of coffee with some herbs. Later on I'm going to glaze it, and that coffee is just going to act to kind of perfume the carrots and make it something really special. So what I'm going to do to start is I'm just going to take a whole bag of this coffee right here. It's called Field Trip. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick it into like some kind of deep tray, just like that. And I'm just going to stick my carrots in here. Kind of sprinkle some herbs on top. And just hit it with a little bit of salt. And that's it. It'll just go in the oven and roast for about an hour or until they're kind of soft. All right, so it's been about an hour, so I'm gonna pull these carrots out of the oven, see how they're doing. Go ahead and take the herbs out too. We're going to use that here in just a second. So be very careful. These are going to be pretty hot, but we're going to go ahead and get them chopped up. We're just going to get a little bit of texture on the outside. Doesn't take very long, just get that pan really, really hot, and then we're going to bring them back over here and get them glazed. Alright, so we've got a good sear on the outside of these carrots here, so we're just going to go ahead and get them on the plate. As they're sauteing, you can actually really smell that coffee flavor start to come through. It's more of an aroma. It's not really going to present itself so much as a taste, but it's going to really deepen the natural sweetness and acidity of these carrots. And really the last touch here is just this glaze, so it's just maple syrup, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and some finely ground coffee. I'm just going to drizzle it on top. And that's that. It's great as a main dish. It's also great as a side. So if you guys are feeling adventurous, go ahead and give it a shot and enjoy.